Feeling like your day is a runaway train with you barely hanging on? Let's ditch the chaos and grab the reins of your time with Clockify. Clockify is a completely free and powerful time tracking tool, and in the next 90 seconds, I'll show you exactly how to use it to boost your personal productivity. First, head over to Clockify and sign up for a free account. The sign-up process is super simple. Just enter your email, create a password, and you're in. Now, let's create some projects. Think of projects as categories for your time. Click on the projects tab and hit Add Project. Name your projects based on your key areas of focus, for example, learning Spanish, side hustle, or even just household chores. This is where the magic happens when you start working on something. Type a brief description of the task, select the relevant project from the drop-down menu, and hit the play button to start the timer. Clockify automatically records your hours. Want to go even deeper? Use tags. After you've started the timer, click on the tag icon. Tags help you categorize your time usage. You can add tags like focused work, distracted, or meeting. The real power of Clockify is in its reporting. Go to the report section to see where your time actually goes. You will now see charts and graphs showing you time spent on projects and tags. These insights will blow your mind. Forgot to start the timer? No problem. You can manually add or edit time entries. Just click on the timeline view, find a relevant day, and click on the plus button. Add details of the task and adjust the start and end times. By consistently tracking your time with Clockify, you'll gain invaluable self-awareness, identify time-wasting activities, and ultimately optimize your schedule for maximum productivity and personal growth.